Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. So from today I'm going to start new playlist for ExpressJS. So how in this video I will show you how to create a new Node.js application from scratch, and then we will understand the package.json uh, file, the basics of package.json file. So first of all we will see the uh, how to create a application in Node.js. So, so for that you have to install the Node.js module in your system, local system. So I already having Node.js. So if I show you this Node.js, once you will install the Node package in your system, you can check the version using node-v command. And if you have installed Node.js, then npm will also be installed by default in your system. So currently I'm running the npm 6 version, so it's a 6.0.0. Now there is from command line, using the npm command you can create a new you can initiate a new project, uh, new Node.js project. So for that the command is npm init. So in your project directory, you just go to your project directory, create a new folder. Like I have created workspace, or or you can create any folder here. So I will create mkdir. So my I'm creating a directory, my Express app. Then I will go to that directory. So now I will initiate a project, Node.js project inside this. So for that the command is npm init. So once you will enter, so it will ask for the metadata for your application. So the package name is by default, there will be folder name. So just enter version. It will ask for the version, then description. uh, any description you can give. Demo, demo app. Entry point will be, you can give any entry point. So by default here is index.js. So in your root folder you need to create index.js file, and if you will give any other name, then you have to create the file having the same name which you will provide. So as of now I'm giving by default index.js. Then test command you can provide. Git repository you can provide if any. Keywords, author, name of the author, then license, under which license you are creating your application. And if you are okay with this detail, then you can enter yes, and then means you can type yes and then enter. So package.json folder will be created under your application folder. So the package.json file is created here. So if I will open, so it contains the same metadata which I have provided at the time of project initialization. So here you will see the name, version, description and everything. If you will see, there is one more object, scripts. So script object, basically it will contain the scripts which you want to execute from command line. So like there is test, there can be other script like start. So in start script, suppose you want to give some to execute any file. Like for us the entry script is index.js. So entry script will be index.js. So I'm giving just a node index.js. So it will create, it will if I will type here npm run start, so it will execute this script, and uh, it will run this command node index.js. So for that first I need to create we need to create a new file in the root directory, name as index.js file. So this is our entry script index.js. So as of now it's blank. Now you can run that script. So suppose I'm giving here one console.log hello. So now if I will execute the command inside a script, so how I execute it, npm run and name of the script start. So it will just print, it will execute that index.js. So there is some error, we will see what is the error. Node index.js. So there is the error is it's not able to find the index.js. So we need to create this file inside this root folder. So this is the root folder and you can create index.js inside this root folder, then console.log hello. So now if I will try to execute the command, which script we want to execute, start. So I will give npm run and start. So it will run that index.js and will print hello. So this is the this is how we add the scripts, command line script inside the scripts object, and then we can execute from the command line those scripts. So in package.json, other information like author which you provide as metadata. Now package.json file is basically to install, to store or to keep the dependency of the application, so that once you are moving from one system to other system, then that time no need to copy or no need to carry all modules from your local system to other system. You just carry mm, these means this package.json file, and which will contain your dependency. Then in other system you can install those dependency using npm install command. So I will show you it later. So as of now I will install a dependency, uh, because we are creating a express app, so we need express module. So to install express module, the command will be npm install express. So it will by default install the latest version, and if I will give this option hyphen hyphen save, so be it will be installed as a dependency. So the module will be installed in application, and but the dependency will be dev dependency for development purpose. So if I will enter, so it will install that express module. It will take some time. So now if you will see the express module with version 4.7 17.1 is installed in my application, and by default a node module folder is created, which contains the dependency all. So this folder created dynamically, and by default it will contain all the packages. So currently we have installed the express application, and if you will see express will be there. So this one express is installed, and with express there are other sub dependency also to run the express module. So there are other 50 packages also installed with this express module, which are required to execute the express module, called sub dependencies. So this is how we install the package in the node.js. So hope guys you enjoyed this, and please